Hello YouTube, Michelle here. In case you wonder what I'm doing with sock here, because this is my mic filter, I'm doing a video 1 minute less every day. Today's video is brought to you by a wild grey rabbit. So this wild rabbit is treating our backyards like a all-you-can-eat buffet, like nom 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 nom. I love the leaf, yum yum yum. Give me all the leaf, yum yum yum. Never eaten before. Daniel even gave our carrots, and surprisingly, they are freaking agile. In honor of the Chinese New Year, how to say rabbit in Chinese? Rabbit in Chinese is two. In French is rabbit. No. It's lapin. Japanese is usagi. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you next time. Bye.